sabi nyo dun sa mga kritisismo na yung nangyayari daw pong police operations sa KOJC compound ay overkill daw po at may mga violation na po ng human rights ayon sa mga kritiko ninyo?
Specify.
Yung daw pong pagde-deploy ng sobrang daming police at saka yung blockade, yung mga nadidisrupt na daw po yung
Meron bang human rights violation kung maraming pulis?
yun pong sabi niyo.
I don't think so. There's no. Anyway, the reason we did this was so that we could maintain the peace. The only way to maintain the peace is to make sure that the area is safe and is secure. And considering this is a 30-hectare compound, kailangan mo talaga ng maraming tao. Hindi mo pwedeng gawin ito na isang dosenang pulis. Para hindi na bale yung mga lumalaban o yung mga nagre-resist, nanghaharang, hindi na bale muna yun. Para lang yung pag-inspeksyon ng 30 hectares, kailangan mo na kagad ng maraming tao. So,
Do you think
I do not see. I think what they're talking about is political na yan. Hindi na totoo yan. You go to any human rights advocate, there's nothing that we did. Lahat ng pumasok na pulis, hindi armado. Walang baril, kahit isa. Lahat ng pumasok na pulis, hindi armado. Walang baril, kahit isa. Lahat ng pumasok na pulis, hindi armado. Walang baril, kahit isa.
The followers of fugitive televangelist Apollo Quiboloy tried to prevent authorities from serving arrest warrants from him in Davao City. Arnel Tocmo reports.
Members of CIDG, Special Action Force, Police Regional Office 11, and policemen from neighboring regions stormed several properties of Kingdom of Jesus Christ leader Apollo Quiboloy. This is to serve the warrants of arrest against the pastor as well as to 5 co-accused for charges of child abuse, sexual abuse, and human trafficking. But entering the premises of KOJC compound in Buhangin, Davao City was not easy as KOJC members guarded the areas.
Sir kayo, sir. Region 10, pupunta kayo dito. Hindi nyo jurisdiction to.
The members expressed anger towards the members of police and media.
Ito talagang makikita natin na oppression talaga, no? Talagang harassment yung ginagawa ng gobyerno. Alam naman namin sa side ng pulis na ginagawa lang nila yung tungkulin nila kasi meron talaga umuutos sa kanila.
This lady, who is a KOJC college scholar, reported that she was injured by the police who forcibly entered the gate, but she said it was not intentional. Choppers of PNP also flew over the compound. Videos provided by Quiboloy's legal counsel, attorney Israelito Torion, showed some of the policemen looking for his client inside the compound, including the rooms and offices, as well as the hangar where a chopper and a private plane were found. Around 8 in the morning, policemen left the compound, unable to find Quiboloy. Law enforcement also went to the Prayer Mountain and Glory Mountain in Barangay Tamayong.
Gusto natin i-emphasize na part ng criminal law procedures, officers can break into premises or building or enclosure in serving the warrant of arrest.
Lahat ng pumasok na pulis, hindi armado. Walang baril, kahit isa. Lahat ng pumasok na pulis, hindi armado. Walang baril, kahit isa.